A random woman is seen approaching a home at 4:30 a.m. and looks terrified and consistently looking back. She begins knocking in the door asking for help, but the homeowner thinks this is strange and decides not to open the door but call authorities instead. The woman continuously is seen knocking at the door, and at one point she starts to hide as she is being followed. A pair of headlights are seen in the background and the woman begins to cry. After a while, the woman gives up due to no one answering the door, and the woman is seen leaving towards the headlights. This is strange because moments before she was crying and asking for help. The homeowner thinks the woman was trying to lure him out and he would have been the victim of a potential robbery. In Seattle, Washington, a couple is seen coming back home from a long day out, potentially to call it a night, when out of nowhere, the woman in the video looks back as if she is sensing danger and sees a man quickly approaching her with a weapon. She quickly reacts and gets in her home, slams the door shut, and locks it, just in time before the intruder gets to open it. The would-be robber notices that he's being recorded via Ring camera and proceeds to destroy the device with his weapon, repeatedly hitting it. And just before the device stops recording, it is revealed that he was not acting alone, as a second armed man is seen in the background. If it wasn't for the woman's swift thinking, they would have been victims of a robbery, or much worse. Late one night, at around 10:30 p.m., a man is seen approaching a porch. At first glance, it looks like he is in need of help, due to him being covered in blood. But in a twist of events, the man begins slamming himself violently towards the door. The sound of his body hitting the door are so loud that the owner is startled by the noise and checks her Ring camera, only to find a strange man covered in blood, presumably trying to break into her home. Not knowing what his intentions are and shocked for what is happening, the owner calls the police in hopes of getting help as quick as possible. As the man continues to try to break in, he slams himself with so much force he ends up knocking himself out and falling over the railing. The homeowner is relieved and lucky that the potential intruder is now unconscious. Who knows what would have happened if he would have been successful in getting in.